because it, took me all over East Africa. That's a whole different story.
So is that your most success? That's why I asked, not the song you like the most.
Yeah.
The most successful song of your career.
For me, every song is. You understand? I cannot. Listen. No, don't force words into my mouth.
Okay.
Yes, don't force it into my mouth.
Yanukula chabuzisa.
You understand? Because I don't have a favorite song. I don't have a most successful song. My new song is called Fire. There's no song that has achieved as much as Fire.
So Fire.
Ayocha was amazing, you understand? But Fire is so fast.
How do you know?
And in a time of so much controversy.
Okay. So how do you know?
Because I'm looking at the numbers increase every day.
How are the numbers for Fire?
Oh, they're looking really great. I don't have my phone.
Tell me
I don't have my
them.
phone right now.
Tell me about them.
I don't have my phone right now.
Let them give you a phone.
A little bit. Kwatam, Queen Kama, Kat Kwatam. Mutugobera Chagada Kangede wa King herself.
Yes.
Nkuwadde ebibuuzo bisatu soko biwe Shiba mchogero mubuuza. Nja kudireda. Esimu tujja tumufadogera jifuna.
Lwakuba temulese driving a point yange why I asked mchala simu.
You want a phone? Esimu ojagala?
Yes.
It's okay. Mumpe simu ya.
Hold on. Mulindeko. Hold on.
You have your phone?
Hold on. Can I speak now? Can I speak? Can I speak?
Speak. Hello. Please. Tukomeo, so that we can enjoy the debate.
Yeah. I am asking your team and your fans to stop telling me what to do. You understand? We have one team screaming at me and telling me what to do. Get a phone, look at your numbers. And my team is quiet over here. Don't tell me what to do. I love y'all. But don't tell me what to do. You understand? Yeah. Let this be fair. Your team is screaming at us the entire time and my team is just being calm.
Okay, a bit.
So let's note it. Which color?
Let me just drive my point.
Okay.
Kubange buzaabuzibwa. Okuyimba okulungi omukyalo yayimba bulungi nnyo ne teyeeyimbira kati w'omanyira nti ennyimba zo ziri successful nze kamuyambe namba ze nzirina ayina 11.4 views on YouTube. I have 106.3. The most successful song of yours, Cindy, nalufunye wano. The amkwano nedda sinze ate nawe
the views can be bought. The views can be bought.
Mulekerawo okwekwasa ekyokubiri bwe tuva mu views kubanga no views tebazigula tebagula views.
Tuwulirize. Okay, nsaba tubaleke. 1 sit.
Wemba be mwegamba okwebaka mwetereze. This is my issue.
Please. Nsaba.
This is my issue.
Shiba to explain and drive her point home.
Well, listen.
Yeah, please.
Whether it was who or who, they didn't choose you, they chose me.
Wonderful.
Listen, I have the most views in females in Uganda. Not even close. Both, actually. So let me drive my point and get views. How many shows, Cindy, do you do a week?
Hold on.
Because zine nyimba tetuzeyimbira tuziyimbira abantu ne batuhiringa ne tubayimbira. How many shows you do a week? And yes.
Hold on. I don't have to prove myself today. I don't.
It's a debate.
Hold on.
It's a debate.
I do not do my music for Shiba. I don't do it for y'all. So
debate.
Whether you're impressed by it or not is none of my business. When we came in here today.
But I thought.
When we came in here today, I was given a set of questions we are going to be asked.
Okay.
I was given guidelines that we are supposed to go through, and right now we are deviating from the real actual issue.
No, you just don't want to face the truth.
Shiba. Okay.
Yes, so numbers. Hold on, no, let me finish. Shiba, stop it. Let me talk. Let me speak, ma'am.
You're running away from my questions, man.
I don't have to answer you. I didn't come here for you.
It's an intellectual debate.
That is true. You're not the intellectual.
Shiba, a bit, please. Yes, please. Cindy, it's your turn. Mwebale. Sultan.
Yeah. Wisdom, can we speak? Can we also talk? Yes, so I think numbers are defined physically. You understand? Me, how I value my success is boom party, 35,000 people. Maximum. You understand? I don't care if I have 2 views on YouTube. I got 35,000 people to come to my show. You understand?
Okay.
Let me finish. Let me finish. The online game can be played by anyone, whether they know you or they don't know you. Cheating to innocent, you can get 1 million views like that.
That's a lie.
If you can pay for it.
That's a lie.
That is true.
And you know that.
That is very true. But the issue, let me finish my point. I'm about to summarize. The issue is this. Let me summarize. No, stop. Why are you stopping me? No, why are you stopping me? Let me finish my point.
It's okay. I'm going to
If no, now allow me now.
To order to file. Nsaba tuwuliziganye emikwano tusobole okuwulira bulungi tuwulire bye boogera tusobole okunyumirwa ka debate kano mukitegeera bannange kabenga ka kabi nnyo nammwe musobole okunyumirwa naawe osobole okwogera nga byogera babiwulira neshiba nga byogera nga babiwulira kashiba katono malayo point yo.
Yeah, let me summarize. If we have on Facebook, I have let me say crazy numbers. I have 4 million, like the likes of Zari. If I can bring those people to a show, that is when my numbers on Facebook matter. Facebook for me is not a real place. You understand? If you can get all your numbers on YouTube and Facebook and they come to Kololo, that is when they'll be heavy enough for me. Otherwise, we're still at the point that I can fill up my venues, whether I have views or I don't have. I fill up every venue I book.
Okay, katikatugende ku bibuuzo kitayi. Nja kukomawo Queen Kama. Cindy, what does HK is katunule katikatudde ku bibuuzo. 1. Waiter King herself.
Yes.
Olowooza by'oyimba bya njawulo ki ennyo ku bya Shiba?
Wow. If you can't see it, you're blind. Do you understand? You're deaf, you're blind. First of all, I do dance on music, yeah? Hold on, Shiba does Afrobeat music. The style is totally different. That's the first difference. When I'm competing in my caliber, I compete with men. I don't compete with women. That is very true. Every time I'm nominated with men, not women. So the styles are different. The performance is different. I prefer my music live. You know, I prefer it live. And I do that, and no other, you know, at least the female artist who is here doesn't do that as often as I do. I've been able to build this brand from nothing. I have grown up and raised my brand without any managers and people telling me what to do. And that right there, that is the difference between me and almost all the female artists who are trending in this game.
Okay, Queen Kama ono gwoliko muntu w'abantu nti gwe teweewanyo bantu oli muntu w'abantu okyogerako ki?
Let me explain myself. Edda, before I got married and had kids, I had time to be everybody's friend. When I got married and I have 3 children, I don't have the time to socialize. I don't have enough time okumeeting emikwano netunywa every day because I have children to raise, you know. So that takes up a lot of my time. It's not because I don't like these artists. I just don't have enough time to do that.
Toyina budde bw'abayimbi bano?
Not all the time. Of course I have time. I do meet artists. I don't specifically say I don't want to meet artists. No. Naye sirina budde nti aba artists balina time tebasobola okubeera mu kabbala kuva ku Tuesday mpaka Sunday. Nze sirina. You understand? Because I am busy. I've got things to do. Apart from being a parent, I'm the president of UMA. If I'm not at home, I'm in my office in UMA trying to get some work done, lobbying and doing big stuff like that and organizing meetings in the parliament and stuff like that. So I don't... Obudde bwe sirina. Sikubanga saagala. Bade nga mutegeera level ze tuliko.
Okay. mwenna kyensinga okubaagala Queen Kama naawe mwenna mufaayo nnyo okupika ennyimba zammwe n'okuzifaako ate n'okuyimba ekyo kyennyini ekituukayo. Olina oluyimba lwe wali oyimbye nga wejjusa noga ebyo ebigambo sandi bitadde mu luyimba olwo?
No. When I was younger, I sang topics which were for that age that I was in. You
otuula kati
understand?
noddamu n'otunuulira ennyimba zo tena luga nti oluyimba olwo nalufulumya ne nduyimba naye ebisandi biyi.
Siina yadde n'olumu lwe nejjusa because they reflect a certain part of my life. Era topics ze nayimbamu nga ndi muto si ze ngenda okuyimbamu kati nga nkoze ki nga nkuzeemu ziri nga bwe ze nayimba before I have kids, they're very different from what I'm singing now that I'm old and I have kids. So every song is representing a certain time of my life. So sina regrets. No.
Okay, kakomeo kati Shiba olina oluyimba naloga nti wadde luno naluyimba naye ebigambo bino nabino ne mu luno oluyimba sandi bitaddemu.
To be honest, like I told you in the beginning, I love my growth. So buli mistake gyenkola njigamu kyenjizeemu nesijejjusa because ojejjusa tekikuyamba eba ewedde. So I don't really and I really don't have any song that I regret. Like it doesn't matter, I sell and I make money than you. So it doesn't really matter. Yeah, so
Cindy, bwakuba ku Lwokutaano ga kyekivulu kyogenda okusembayo okuyimba. Siga nti kyekisemba naye kyogenda okusembayo okuyimba. Abayimbi obagamba kinga message ng'obadde oyogera n'abayimbi olaga nti maze okuyimba but this is a message y'abayimbi.
Keep hustling, keep hustling. I hope I inspire someone because in this industry a lot of people work with connections. They are connected to Gundi, or family ya Gundi. You understand? Now me, I want to inspire the artists atalina connection, atalina bambi wakola chiwaita. And I want them to look at me and say, you know what, it doesn't matter. Because I came from Bali and nobody knew me in the streets. But I made it where I am today. So I want an artist out there chitunulira and get inspired by it.
Gwolina gwowadde omukono.
Wanji?
Olina gwowadde omukono.
Definitely the biggest bands in this country, buli band gy'omanyi nti yakabi erimu omuntu nga nze namutraininga nga yatandikira wange. Nga yatandikira from my music awone alyoka afuuka wakabi on my stage and then they moved on to other people. So I have been nurturing artists for the last 10 years or so.
Queen Kama. Olwanga Olwokutaano lw'osembayo loga nti nyimba mpumula okuyimba wadde tonatuuka kuwummula message ki gy'oyinza okugamba abayimbi?
Honestly, I've done my part. If my obulamu bwange bukoma today, I wouldn't regret it because if you look at how many collaborations and people have brought on as artists, banji nnyo collaborations nnyo nga tewali muntu abadde amumanyi oba oluyimba lwe yalukola naye ne lutabeera lulungi oba ne lutatuuka nendukola nyingi nnyo. I've done collaborations that have hit. So I want to ask Mchala Cindy engeri gyatwagaliza ennyo gyagambye nti
ngenda kubawa ekyokubuuza sokoddemu ekyo kibale
ekyange kizeemu. Me, I've put my stone on the industry. I'm still putting my stone on the industry. I called Cindy on my stage. I'm still building the industry. Is there anyone for that? Even though she denies that, eyo bata ajagalidde ebbanga eriwera naye ng'egaanibwa. So nze nagikkiriza. So whether she denies yes or no, achimanyi. Yeah, achimanyi. Yeah, amanya amazima. So I'm still doing good for the industry. Till now. Look at this battle, it's happening.
Abawagizi. Thank you. Mwebali. Abawagizi ku Lwokutaano bakusuubiremu ki? Cindy.
Every time I step on stage, I deliver 180%. I think you shouldn't expect anything less on Friday. It's still going to be Cindy Beer, but it's definitely going to be the king herself showing up. I think that's enough.
Ku Lwokutaano Queen Kama.
Nakugambye tinze ngenda bringing ekintu kye basinga okumanyako me. Sigenda kwekyusa, sigenda kwefuula kyesiri. I'm not coming to kulagako, zengenda kuleeta inze. The reason